Hi friends, click on subscribe button to support me and hit on bell icon so you can get all my latest notifications. Hey guys, welcome back to my video. Welcome back to my channel, and this is your Abhilash back. Today I'm gonna make an unboxing of a watch which I bought from Amazon, wherein my asked my mom to buy a watch. Where she lost her old watch, but it's not about the price, but she just liked the style and design, and we could not find in the branded one, so I have bought it. I've bought it for just, what is the price? I'm not able to see the price. I think it will be inside the invoice. I'm going to tell you that. And this is from Amazon. Oh, I think this is the box. Sorry, that's a wrong parcel. Yeah, this is the watch which I have bought by my mom, and I'm gonna open this box and make an unboxing, guys. And I'm gonna just show you the image on the website how it looks. This is the watch which I've ordered, which is 569 rupees. The MRP says 21,999. I don't know how far true it is, and I've got it for 569 rupees, which got delivered today. And I'm gonna make an unboxing of this, and I'm gonna show you. And guys, I've started my new channel. I'm gonna leave the link below, so please do subscribe my channel and support me. It's all about traveling, where almost it will be through a bike and a car traveling, which I'm gonna make. I'm gonna start a new channel, which is called, like, the new channel name called Royal Legend Biker Club Bangalore. So I hope you all will support me, and you can join to my club. I'm gonna organize a few rides also, wherein I have just organized the first ride, which is on December 30th. We're gonna leave Bangalore on 30th and reach my hometown on 31st early morning. We're gonna see few places, and then we're gonna party at my home, my place, and then we're gonna take a day of rest and come back on second early morning to Bangalore. So that's my plan. I'm gonna come live on my channel as well as my other channel. So please keep watching and help me in uploading good videos, and please let me know how I can improve. And coming to the unboxing, as I've just opened this box, so let me just keep this apart. The box look little dirty. I don't know how it is inside. This is how the box looks, and it says made in India. Good to know that made in India. So this is how it looks. It's time for an unboxing, guys. I hope you guys have been waiting. So before that, if you're still not subscribed, please do subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon so you can get all my latest notification. And for the subscribers who have already subscribed, thank you so much for your love and support. And because of you guys, today I'm able to reach 28,000 subscribers and make few more videos, wherein it is not about unboxing. All my channel is about, it's all about like troubleshooting stuff, repairing, and like traveling and everything. So please do support and help me in uploading more and more videos. Let me open this box, and here comes a small tiny instruction guide. It says how to set the time, and the certificate of warranty. Good to know that for 500 rupees I'm getting two watch and I'm getting warranty plus. So it's a very cool thing. And let me open the sponge from here. You can see this is how it looks. And let me just take out the watch. There's nothing inside, and these are the stuff. So the watch looks very decent and cool. Let me just show you the complete package. So it's two different watch, one ladies one, and the second one is for the gents one. Let me just keep this apart, open the cover. It's all basic package which they have made, and the watch feels good, guys. It's the material feels good, the heavy. Yeah, so let me just put it to this buckle. It's not bad for the amount which I have paid. It's pretty decent one. So that is for the male, the gents watch, and this is for the female. It's a ladies watch. So watch, the look quality wise, it's like comparing to the branded watch, it's not that great, but it's good quality for this particular price, as we are getting two watches, and the proudest part is made in India. So this is how the watch looks. It's pretty good. Both are matching, and both are working. So you can see, I'm going to show you one by one. This is the ladies dial. This is how it's gonna look. Ladies wala variant, and here comes the gents variant watch. So pretty decent, good. This is the correct position, and it's a metal. Let me just remove my watch and wear this watch. See how it looks. So one more thing, when you're wearing a watch, chain watch or a belt watch, there are chances that it may slip. So take a support of your thighs, or you can just keep it on your bed, or take a support for the bottom part, and then wear it. So what do you think, guys? Please let me know in the comment section if you like this watch. Is it matching to my hand? So I think it's pretty good. So I feel comfortable. Though it's a cheap price watch, but still it's a good one, guys. So it's a good choice which I made, and nice one. So hope you guys enjoyed this video of an unboxing of this couple watch. So if you like this video, guys, please do give me a thumbs up. And it's not a paid promotion, this I bought it for myself. And if you like my videos, please do subscribe, click on bell icon so you can get all my latest notification. For the guys who is watching and still not yet subscribe my channel, and help me in uploading more and more videos. I know that you guys want me to make in other language like Kannada, Hindi, Tamil and Telugu. So I know all these languages. I'm a Kannadiga, and I stay in Bangalore. I born in in Sakleshpura, and brought up in Bangalore. So I know I can talk all languages, which is Kannada, English, Hindi, Tamil, Telugu. So the thing I'm making this in English is where we don't have like the one particular language which is English. It's I call it as business language, where it can reach entire world. That is why I like make my videos in English. I do understand that my English is not that great, but it's manageable. I hope you guys can understand, guys. So thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much for your continuous love and helping me in supporting, like supporting me in uploading more and more videos, and reaching, like today I am reached 28,000 subscribers. It's all because of your love. Thank you so much. Hope this video you enjoyed, and please let me know in the comment section about your feedback, how I can improve and how I can make a better video. Thank you so much for watching. Thumbs up.